Free your imagination. Ask why, what if, how might we, to open creative doors. You ever feel like the well ran dry? The brush still, the word silent, the spark asleep? I know that feeling, where inspiration once bloomed like spring cherry blossoms. Now, only bare branches remain. But what if the stillness held the seed of something greater? Today I invite you to step back into the flow, not by chasing creativity, but by becoming a vessel it flows through. This isn't just inspiration, it's Taoist wisdom, applied to every process in your life. Your work, your practice, your play, your art. Welcome to A Balanced Way to Wellness, the creative way. Let's spark those embers back into flames. Creativity is like a flame. It needs gentle fanning, not a douse of gasoline that leads to chaos. So join me as we discover 11 tips to ignite your creative spark and let your ideas flow. Number 1, stay alert, clear-headed, shed any doubt or fear, and set clear intentions for your creative task. Tip number 2, seek inspiration and plan in unexpected places. Jot down ideas instantly or save them in a journal for later. Tip number 3, free your imagination. Ask why, what if, how might we, to open creative doors. Tip number 4, give old ideas new life by reimagining them in a different context. And number 5, dream big. Imagine a world of endless possibilities. Tip 6, dare to pursue the most wild ideas with low risk but high learning potential. Number 7, embrace the process of creation. Iterate and reiterate. And tip number 8, openly welcome and selectively refine those obscure ideas you may have written down in the past at some point. Tip number 9, start with a blank slate, no preconceived notions or distractions. Tip number 10, change your environment to shift your perspective. And finally, tip number 11, create internal space for insights through mindful stillness. In conclusion, remember, inspiration is just the initial spark. You're the flame that keeps it alive. So let your creativity take flight. Thank you for watching. I go by the name Khonsura Creative. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell for more inspirational content. If you desire to explore more videos, check out these videos over here. Stay inspired and inspirational.